The following instructions are for assembling a UNE-T desk. Before beginning, make sure you have all of these tools listed in order to properly assemble the desk. Start by placing the desktop face down on a flat surface. Align the legs with the threaded inserts. Remember, the drilling is closest to the back edge of the desk. Use a 4mm Allen wrench or 4mm hex bit with the joint connector bolts. Make sure you don't tighten the screws all the way just yet. If you have the adjustable connector bar that is shown here, use number 12 star washers and M6 screws to fasten the two connector bars together. Whichever connector bar that you may have, it should rest inside of the desk legs. Tighten it with the provided M6 screws. Remember, do not fully tighten the screws just yet. If you are assembling a stand-up style desk, use a 4mm Allen wrench to assemble the footrest bar the same way as you did the connector bar. If everything is attached to the desk's main frame, you can then tighten all the bolts fully. If you would like to attach the Grand Hank glides, start by removing the nylon glides and then inserting the Grand Hank glide. Rotate it clockwise until it's tight. If you would like to have a caster instead of the glides, do the same exact process, but make sure you tighten it with a wrench before you're done. If you would like to have a steel book box, start by placing the steel book box in line with the pre-drilled pilot holes. Use a drill and the pan head screws to fasten down the steel book box. For adding a backpack hook, start by aligning the hook on top of the metal leg plate. Use a 4mm Allen wrench or hex bit and secure it in place with a joint connector bolt. Once you've completed any extra accessory installation, your desk should be looking bright and sturdy. If you have any questions, call our customer service today. We'll see you next time.